morning everyone. Class 11, subject accountancy, chapter 9, laser revision. Okay, so today we will start again chapter 9, laser. So following examples are included in this units. Okay, so question first: goods sold to Mohan rupees 10,000. Second, cash sales rupees 20,000. Cash received from Mahesh. Cash received from Mahesh rupees 5,000. Goods purchased from Mohan. Goods purchased from Mohan rupees 1,000. Okay, so following examples on your screen. So point number first, journal entry: goods sold to Mohan. Mohan account debit. Mohan account debit to sales account rupees 10,000. Mohan account debit to sales account rupees 10,000. Second, cash sales. Cash sales rupees 20,000. Okay, so cash account debit. Cash account debit to sales account. Cash account debit to sales account rupees 20,000. Yes. Entry number third, cash received from Mahesh. Cash received from Mahesh rupees 5,000. So cash account debit. Cash account debit to Mahesh account. Cash account debit to Mahesh account rupees 5,000. 5,000 rupees. Goods purchased from Mohan rupees 1,000. Goods purchased from Mohan rupees 1,000. Entry number 4, purchase account debit. Purchases account debit to Mohan account. Purchases account debit to Mohan account rupees 1,000. Right? Purchases account debit to Mohan account rupees 1,000. So 4 entries journal and post them into ledger. So we are preparing a ledger account separately. Okay, so cash account, first account is Mohan. Ledger posting, ledger posting. Okay, so date, particular, okay, amount, date, particular and amount. Right? So we are preparing Mohan account. Mohan account, right? Okay, so date is April 1st. Mohan account debit to sales account. Mohan account debit to sales account. Amount is 10,000 rupees, right? Amount is 10,000 rupees. Okay, and second we are preparing sales account. Sales account. Date, again particular, amount, date, particular, and amount. Okay, so preparing a sales ledger. So sales account by Mohan account means sales account is credit. Okay, so in credit side, debit side and credit side. Okay, so in credit side we are transferring by Mohan account. By Mohan account, amount is 10,000 rupees. Amount is 10,000 rupees. Okay, second cash. So first ledger Mohan account, second cash sales account, and third we are prepare cash ledger. So cash account, again same format, date, particular, amount, date, particular, amount, right? So cash account debit to sales account in a debit side. Cash account debit, okay, to sales account. So cash account to sales account. April 2nd. We are assuming date. So amount is 20,000 rupees. Amount is 20,000 rupees, and sales again. And we are already preparing sales ledger account. Okay, so sales account is credit. So in sales account, by cash account, by cash account, amount is 20,000 rupees. Okay, by cash account, amount is 20,000 rupees, right? Again entry number third, cash account debit to Mahesh account. Cash account debit to Mahesh account. So cash ledger already prepared. So cash account debit to Mahesh account. Cash account debit to Mahesh account rupees 5,000 rupees 5,000, right? And Mahesh account prepare. Mahesh account prepare. So format Mahesh account, date, particular, amount, date, particular, and amount, right? So Mahesh account is credit. So in credit side, by cash account, by cash account, amount is 5,000 rupees. कैश अकाउंट, महेश अकाउंट में बाय कैश अकाउंट अमाउंट इज 5,000 rupees. Next, purchase account. Okay, so preparing purchase ledger. So purchase account is date, particular, amount, date, particular and amount, right? So purchase account is debit, so in this account we are transferred to Mohan account in a debit side. So purchase account debit to Mohan account, amount is 1,000 rupees, right? And last we are prepare Mohan account, date, particular, amount, date, particular, amount, right? So purchase account debit to Mohan account. So Mohan account is credit. Okay, so by purchases account amount is 1,000 rupees. Okay, amount is 1,000 rupees. First we are preparing Mohan account. So Mohan account debit to sales account 10,000. Okay, second prepare sales account. So sales account is credit. So in a credit side by Mohan account 10,000 rupees. Third, cash account prepare. Okay, so cash account debit side to sales account 20,000 rupees. Again sales is credit in this entry. So in a sales account credit side by cash account 20,000 rupees. And third, cash account to Mahesh. So cash account debit to Mahesh account rupees 5,000. And Mahesh account prepare. So Mahesh account credit in this entry 2 means credit. Okay, so by cash account 5,000 rupees. Entry number 4, purchase account debit to Mohan account. So first of all we are prepare purchase account. So in a purchase account to Mohan account rupees 1,000. And last prepare a Mohan account. So Mohan account by purchase account 1,000 rupees. So this question revise journal entries plus laser. Okay, so write on